Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're away.
We are. We're with Les and Carol, and we've been away for the coronation weekend, and we're at New Lodge Farm in
Bulwick, which is in Northamptonshire, and it's a really nice site.
It is. It's very nice.
Yeah. It's got 52 fully serviced pitches. It's got a camping area for tents, and it's got
Shepherd's huts
and glamping pods, and they're really nice. So we're going to show you some footage of it in a minute, see what you think, and then we'll tell you what we think at the end. So sit back and have a look at this. Well, that's our trip to New Lodge Farm. We've enjoyed it, haven't we?
We have. Me and Carol really enjoyed the spa, and it was completely private. It's £15 an hour. Said if you came, because it's adults only, I would say is that try it. It was really enjoyable.
Yeah.
Also, we enjoyed our pizza evening.
Yes, we
it's
did.
fully licensed, so you can have a beer as well. Or if you don't want to, you can actually take your pizzas back. But your dogs are welcome. So if you don't want to leave your dog in the awning, you can actually take them with you and sit and have your pizza.
Yep. So long as they're well behaved, it says.
It does, yes.
So yeah, it's been a really good weekend. We've enjoyed it. The weather's been a mixed bag. I'm sure it has been where you've been as well, but it's been a mixed bag. We had a cracking day yesterday, didn't we?
We did. I did. I think I got a little bit sunburnt.
Yeah.
And we sat outside and said, but it's been a really nice weekend. I would recommend the site to anyone. We're not going to put we're going to leave a link below and put the price list on, but we thought it's been value for money.
Yeah, it has been quite value for money, and like Juliet said earlier, it is an adults only site as well. So sorry, no kids. Well, I hope you've liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification. That'll tell you when we've got a new video coming up. Well, thanks again. Bye for now.
Bye.